how to give edit access to Google Form. Okay, so from your Google Form, all that you have to do is simply locate the top right hand corner. Okay, you can see that we have this three dots over there, and then come and then click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come here to where we have add collaborators, and then come and then click on it. Okay, and then from here it will bring you right here where you can come and then add somebody to be able to edit it. So as you can see, add editors to this particular form. Okay, and when you come down here to where we have the general access, okay, you see that under it, from the general access under it, we have restricted. Come and then click on the down arrow, and then come and select anyone with the link. Okay, so remove it from restricted to anyone with the link. Okay, so when you come down here, it says that people with the edit position will be able to delete the form and then view it as well. Okay, so from here you will see that we have editor. Okay, so automatically anybody that you share the link to becomes an editor. So all that you have to do is simply click on copy the responder link and then send it directly to the person. Okay, by simply coming to click on the done, then you send it directly to the person, and that is it. You can send it directly through an email by coming to click on the send, and then over here simply come here where we have send via SMS. Okay, and then come down and then come and put the person's email address right here, and what you have to do is simply come and then click on add editor, and it's going to take you directly to where I just showed you. Okay, and then from here you can simply come and then send the link to them through their email address. Okay, and then you come and then click on the done. So like the video and then see you in my next video.